Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking up.
Okay, so put some oil into cold water, then only raise the heat. By doing this way, you'll reduce the sticking problem on your stainless steel wok. Okay, after that you can put in some ginger, sliced ginger. Fry it for a while. Let your oil to be induced by the ginger aroma, which it will help to remove the smelliness from the prawn shell. Okay. Right. Be careful when you want to put in your prawn because of the water, especially inside the prawn eyes. So be very careful and it will splatter. All right. Basically, you don't have to flavor your broth. All you need is to use high heat. To cook your prawn shell until it is reddish. Yeah. Don't add your water too early. You need to make sure it is 100% cooked. If you add in your water too early, then the smelliness of the prawn shell can also be dissolved into your broth. Okay, so don't worry, it will not burn too easily. You just keep on stirring like this and let it stir for a couple of minutes. All right, let it fry for a couple of minutes, then only you put in the broth. I'm getting some hot water here. It's always better to use hot water because you don't want to reduce the temperature of your wok. Okay, always remember, we want to make sure all the prawns head, especially the head, yeah, is fully cooked. Then only we add in the hot water. Wow, now you start smelling the very nice fragrance coming out from the shell. If you want to make some prawn oil, also can. Just add in more oil. You can use the prawn oil to flavor your dish as well. Okay. Today I'm just going to use the prawn broth. Okay, it should be fully cooked by now. Let me add in my hot water. Immediately my broth turned yellowish and orangey. See, this is going to be a very nice broth. Whatever you use it to cook noodles or your hor fun, all that is going to taste very good. It will even taste even nicer if you put in pork broth or chicken stock rather than just plain water. Use your creativity. There's no rule in Appa's kitchen, alright? So I'm going to just let this boil for maybe 2-3 minutes, and then it is done. I'm going to remove it. After that, you don't have to flavor it, and the prawn broth is ready. All right. So after you drain off all the prawns, so here is the beautiful orangey and flavorful prawn broth. All right. I hope you like this video. Yeah. Let's continue with my noodles.